everyone, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make chicken fried rice. Okay guys, so to make chicken fried rice recipe, it is very easy. Today we're going to show you an easy step-by-step tutorial to make the most delicious and mouth-watering chicken fried rice. Very easy guys. So first, to start off this recipe, you need some chicken, right? So if you have boneless chicken, you can go ahead and use your boneless chicken. So as you can see, we are just deboning the chicken. So we are removing the bones from the chicken. So if you have boneless chicken, you can go ahead and use your boneless chicken. But here we are removing the bone from the meat, right? So when you get a mixed part, or you buy a mixed part, a chicken part, you can also use your thigh or your chicken breast. If it have bone, you just simply remove the bone from it just to get that meaty part of the chicken. And that's exactly what we're doing now, as you can see. So after deboning the meat or the chicken, we're going to cut into small pieces. But you can cut into the size that you prefer, but this is how we're doing it today. So we're just going to continue to cut the chicken into small pieces. Alright guys, so the chicken done chop up. Yes, that is how it is looking. So what we're doing now is to transfer it into a container, and we are going to wash the chicken, because you know we don't want the raw chicken to eat. So we're gonna wash it with some vinegar, right, to reduce the rawness from the chicken. So that we are gonna do next, right? So here we're going to just pour some vinegar into the container with the chicken and just wash it off to eliminate or reduce the rawness from the chicken. If you have lime juice, you can also go ahead and use the lime juice, because I know some people love use them lime juice instead of vinegar, and some people love vinegar instead of lime juice. So whichever one you have, you can use. After rinsing, we're just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose season. So a 1/4 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose season. We also added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, right? So these are the seasoning that we're going to use to season the chicken. We're also going to add just a toops of black pepper. This is optional, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. You can also add the seasoning of your choice. And then we're going to rub in the season to get everything well blended, right? So we just rub in the whole of the season in the chicken. So what we're going to do next is to cover the chicken with a plastic wrap and allow the seasoning to marinate into the chicken, right? So it can taste so delicious. Next, we're going to prepare the vegetables for the chicken fried rice. So here you can be creative and add the vegetables that you like or that you love or eat. So here we are using lettuce. So we're going to be using carrots, sweet pepper, and mixed vegetables, onions, and you can add whatever vegetables that you want to use now, right? So you're going to chop these into small pieces. We'll soon come back. Okay guys, so after prepping all the ingredients that we're going to be used to make this chicken fried rice recipe, we have here the chopped and the seasoned chicken. We have the mixed vegetables that we're going to be using. So the chopped lettuce, the carrot, the sweet pepper, and the onion. As we said before, we have the chopped chicken. And here we also have rice that was previously cooked, right? So you can use basmati rice if you'd like. You can use Alberta rice if you like. You can use Jasmine's rice if you like. Whatever brand of rice you like, you can go ahead and use that as a substitute. So whatever rice you have accessible to you at the moment, you can go ahead and use the rice of your choice. So no specific rice, you use the rice of your choice. We also have here some mixed vegetables, also Scotch bonnet soya sauce, and as we showed you before, we have the vegetables, the chicken, and the rice. So next we're going to pour some oil into the frying pan. Ensure that the pan is on medium flame, and then we're going to transfer the seasoned chicken into the pan. We're going to allow the chicken to be cooked, because you know when it comes down to chicken breast, it don't requires a lot of time to cook. So you don't have to burn up the chicken. You don't have to cook it for long. It doesn't require a lot of time, because remember, this is chicken breast. It don't have any bone in it, right? So it doesn't require a lot of time to cook. But you can always cook based on your preference, because you know Some persons like their meat well done, others like it medium, and so on. So you're going to cook a chicken based on your preference, right? So you're going to leave the chicken there to cook until it is based on your liking. And then you're going to continue to stir now and then on both sides. Going to add that nice flavor to our food. Very colorful, guys. Look at it. Gonna add that nice flavor to our chicken fried rice recipe. So just saute, okay? You can add more vegetables if you'd like. If you have a bigger family, you can go ahead and increase the amount of vegetables you add or the amount of chicken that you use and so forth. Then we're adding our mixed vegetables. Look at that, guys. Reggae vibes. Red, gold, and green. Just continuing to saute our vegetables. Toss them. Guys, I wish you could smell that nice aroma from our sweet pepper, our onion, the carrot. Guys, it is so amazing. It's mouth-watering. I do hope you enjoy the effort into this recipe. So now we're adding our rice, the most exciting part of the video, and then we're going to blend in. Look at that, guys. So we just blend in the vegetables with the rice. So you just fold it in, right? Fold and get all the vegetables and the rice incorporated together. Get rid of the lumps from the rice, right? Look at that, guys. And it's not done as yet. It's not finished. We're not finished, and it is looking so perfect. So we're just continuing to add rice and get all the meat and the vegetable combined together with the rice. So as we add, we're just going to combine the rice and the vegetable and then mix everything together. So that's what we're doing. After getting everything combined, we're going to add the soya sauce. So you're going to add the soya sauce based on your liking. So any amount that you want to add, you can go ahead and add. But you're going to sprinkle and stir, sprinkle and mix. So you just sprinkle and mix it to ensure that it is well blended with the rice. So if you want to add a little bit, you can add a little bit. If you want to add a lot of soya sauce, you can go ahead and add a lot of soya sauce. But I don't like using a lot of soya sauce, so I add it based on my preference. So this is what we're doing today. We're not adding a lot, we're just keeping it minimal. And as we add, we just blend in the soya sauce together with the rice and the vegetable along with the chicken. Right, but if you don't have soya sauce available to you at the moment, you can go ahead and add browning. But the thing with the browning is you have to take control of the browning. You have to add the browning lightly, right? So you sprinkle it lightly on the rice and then you mix it. Then you look at the color to see if that's the color that you like, and then you go ahead and add it. But you have to add the browning light, very light, and watch the color. So this is it. Serving time. Look at that, guys. Straight out of the pot. Steam, check, guys. This is a very easy step-by-step recipe on how to make chicken fried rice recipe right here at home. So I don't feel like for some chicken fried rice. No, I forgot a Chinese restaurant and I can make it right here at home. Easy step-by-step recipe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you like this video, you might want to check out this one.